What if we could receive medical care from the comfort of our own homes? What if doctors could monitor patients remotely, providing timely and effective treatment? These are not just hypothetical questions. They are the reality of telehealth, a field that is revolutionizing healthcare as we know it. Telehealth has a rich history that traces back to the early 20th century. Back then, it was simply a concept, an idea of using technology to bridge the distances between patients and their healthcare providers. It took the form of telephone consultations and radio broadcasts, rudimentary yet revolutionary for the time. As technology advanced, so did telehealth. The advent of the internet saw a significant leap forward in telehealth's evolution. Doctors could now consult with patients over video calls, eliminating the need for physical presence. This was particularly beneficial in remote areas where access to healthcare was limited. In the early 21st century, telehealth became more mainstream, thanks to the development of more sophisticated technology. Smart devices and wearables enabled real-time monitoring of patients' health, paving the way for preventive healthcare. And then the pandemic struck. The world was forced to go digital, and telehealth became a necessity rather than a convenience. Virtual consultations, remote patient monitoring, digital prescriptions, these became the new normal. Today, telehealth is at a crucial juncture. As we continue to grapple with the global health crisis, telehealth is becoming increasingly important. It's not just about convenience anymore, it's about saving lives. India, for instance, has seen a surge in telehealth adoption. With a vast rural population and limited healthcare infrastructure, telehealth has proven to be a game changer. It has brought healthcare to the doorsteps of millions who otherwise would have had no access to it. But it's not just in India. Globally, telehealth is gaining momentum. In the United States, telehealth visits increased by 50% in the first quarter of 2020 compared to the same period in the previous year. In Australia, more than 2/3 of general practitioner consultations are now conducted remotely. And yet, there is so much more that can be done. The potential of telehealth is immense, and we are only scratching the surface. With the advent of technologies like general AI and AGI, telehealth could reach new heights. AI could be used to predict health risks, provide personalized treatment plans, and even assist in surgeries. But for all this to happen, research in telehealth must continue. It's not just about the technology, it's about improving the quality of healthcare, about making it accessible to all, regardless of where they live or how much they earn. It's about humanity. It's about ensuring that everyone, everywhere, has the right to health. And that is why the journey of telehealth must go on. To sum up, telehealth is not just a trend. It's a revolution, a transformation of healthcare that has been centuries in the making. From its humble beginnings to its current status as a lifeline in a pandemic-stricken world, telehealth has come a long way, but the journey is far from over. With technologies like AI and AGI on the horizon, the future of telehealth looks promising. The challenge now is to ensure that this promise is fulfilled, that telehealth truly becomes a tool for universal health coverage. That is the story of telehealth, a story of progress, of innovation, and of hope, a story that is still being written, and a story that, with continued research and development, could change the face of healthcare forever.